Meet Sohail, a brave 13-year-old who faced a challenging journey of recovery after an accident. About 1.5 months ago, he suffered a fracture in his right leg and underwent surgery in Bikaner. However, shortly after the procedure, Sohail began experiencing severe pain, swelling, and wound complications, including dehiscence and foul-smelling discharge. Upon reviewing his x-rays, it was found that the fracture had not been optimally fixed. With detailed counseling and expert care, we decided to remove the plate, clean the wound thoroughly, and remove the damaged bone pieces. We then applied an Ilizarov frame to help his leg heal properly. Sohail followed all instructions diligently, and after 4 months of dedicated treatment, he made a full recovery. Sohail's journey is a testament to resilience and the power of proper medical care. We're proud of his determination and thankful for his complete recovery.